This is the Malewolf 360-degree rotatable ring kickstand MagSafe case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I was sent 5 of these to review, so let me show you a closer look. We've got black orange, black red, black gray, dark purple, and dark blue. These are all gorgeous, going to protect your phone. They're also MagSafe and have this ring kickstand, plus extra protection around your lenses. Here is the inside. You can feel the magnet here. And then let's take a look at what happens. This is going to rotate 360 degrees. And on the inside, because of how they have it, nothing is rotating or going to scratch your phone. It's fully integrated inside of there. Your phone is nicely protected. And then looking inside, you've got great cushions. There's your corner. It's a firm bumper, not those like super flimsy TPU things. The back is firm as well. It just feels like really nice quality. I love the textured stripe they do almost the whole way around because it doesn't just add a cool look to your case and gives you the color and the pop of color that you want, but it also helps with grip because it's very textured there. They're just such a fun vibe with the different colors they offer. Oh, I love them. They are all just kind of frosted black, so they're not going to show the color of your phone completely. They will like darken it a bit. They all come with a warranty card with 1 year refund or replacement and 24/7 support. So that's nice. We're going to pop in a couple just to show you how they fit and how the white versus black will look. A perfectly snug fit. And we'll do the black and the black. So that's an example. This frosted bit was the same color, but that just shows you how to look on the black versus white. And then if you have a colored phone, you'll get a hint of that as well. So totally different look here, but both look amazing. Just depends how much color you're wanting to have. These are MagSafe, so they're gonna work with MagSafe accessories such as this car phone mount. Depending on which way you have it rotated, it will be better depending on which angle you need it. So for this one, see how it's opening in the back a little bit? Like it's not falling off, it's just that kickstand, the ring stand is kind of opening a little bit, but that's upside down. I mean, if you have it on a car phone mount, it's gonna be like this, like this, like this. No worries. Oh, really strong. And then of course, it will also work as a ring grip to give you a better hold of your phone. Can be hands-free with cups of coffee. Then let's go. So this is going to come all the way down here. It rotates, of course. So that's gonna give you a really nice angle in vertical. And you see this bit here is cut out. That's going to help it not wobble, but you have to get it perfectly flat there. And then it's not gonna wobble at all. And then you wanna go horizontal again, make sure that you get it completely flat. And that's a really nice vertical, almost completely vertical. Let's see. Wow. Even more than vertical. You got it leaning forward a little bit, and then you can lean it way back. Just so flexible. If you want to go upside down, you can lean it not all the way. Oh, can lean it pretty far. You've got a great bezel to protect the screen the whole way around, and then you've got 2 sections cut out fully for your lenses. Just really great protection there without adding much bulk. Like these are really nice cases. And then your buttons are gonna match. They are a little metallic, as is the back ring and this bit here. And then here is more of a matte color, but they match really well. Clicky, clicky. Yes, your action button is open, as are the ports and your speakers down here. That is so good. Look at this, guys. Ah, so awesome. If you're looking for a really functional, gorgeous case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. These are amazing ones from Malewolf. I love them and I know you will too.